Guess what? It's time to have some fun with our friend Willy Wombat. Oh, but hang on, he's sound asleep. I think he's been asleep all day. Let's see if we can wake him up. How about on the count of 3, we all say, "Wake up, Willy." You ready?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3. Wake up, Willy! Oh, we'd better try harder than that. How about everyone join in? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Willy! Still snoring. Hey, I've got another idea. How about we try stomping our feet as well? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Willy! Almost. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Willy! Oh, it's working pretty good, gang. He still looks a bit sleepy, though. Let's see if we can get him going with the Willy Wombat dance. Yeah! Now Willy Wombat's sweet as can be. He likes to eat roots and leaves. He likes to sleep all day long. But look what happens when we sing his song. Let's do the Willy Wombat. 1, 2, 3. The Willy Wombat. Wake up, Willy. The Willy Wombat. There's no denying that we can't wake him up if we're not trying. Oh, he's looking pretty awake now. Now Willy Wombat's dancing around. We got him out of his hole in the ground. We got him swinging, having lots of fun. He'll keep on swinging till the day is done. Let's do the Willy Wombat, twist and shout. The Willy Wombat, shake it all out. The Willy Wombat, and stomp your feet and wake him up with that stomping beat. Let's see everyone doing the Willy Wombat dance. Everyone's doing the Willy Wombat dance. Yeah!
Now Willy Wombat's a fun-loving dude who likes playing with his friends and looking for food. He keeps nice and fit by doing these things and dancing to his song when somebody sings. Let's dance!
Let's do the Willy Wombat. 1, 2, 3. The Willy Wombat. Wake up, Willy. The Willy Wombat. There's no denying that we can't wake him up if we're not trying. Let's do the Willy Wombat, twist and shout. The Willy Wombat, shake it all out. The Willy Wombat, and stomp your feet and wake him up with that stomping beat. Let's do the Willy Wombat. Yeah, the Willy Wombat. Woohoo! Let's do the Willy Wombat. Waha!
The animals of the magical mountains would like to thank their sponsors for their continued support. Hope you enjoyed the tunes. You can visit us at www.magicalmountains.com.au. See you soon.